for delivery of judgment, WBC 4738 of 19.
The impugned judgment and opinion dated 11/3/2019, passed by the learned member FT, is hereby upheld and confirmed. Consequently, the writ petition is dismissed.
Any adjournment request? May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention for listing a motion matter, my lord, tomorrow, my lord.
What is the urgency?
Urgency, my lord, petitioner's land was recorded as government cash land, my lord. And now, my lord, the private respondent has been selected for settlement of the said land, my lord.
Monday?
Can it be tomorrow, my lord?
Monday.
Obliged, my lord.
My lord, yesterday's matter, my lord, today we have filed it, my lord. May I pray for tomorrow, my lord? Obliged, my lord.
May I please, Lord? My lord, I have similar matter, my lord, for listing, my lord, eviction matter, my lord. Petitioners are going to be evicted, my lord.
Hmm.
And so, my lord, it is
Motion.
urgent, my lord.
Motion.
Motion, my lord.
Eviction.
Motion, my lord.
Eviction. Notice out.
No. Appellate, against appellate court's order, my lord.
Appellate court's order?
My lord.
What appellate court?
Initially, my lord, it is noticed for eviction, and against that eviction notice, petitioners approached before this honorable court. This honorable court remand back the matter before the appropriate authority, and the petitioners approached by filing appeal, and that appeal was dismissed, and fixed the matter for 19, my lord, for eviction, my lord.
Okay.
Tomorrow, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship, I'd like to mention for listing of a urgent motion matter for 2 p.m. today, Your Honor.
What is the
matter
urgency?
relates to eviction.
Huh?
The matter relates to eviction, where the railway authorities are trying to evict me from my plot of land. And Your Honor, earlier we had filed, the eviction order was passed, against which we went on appeal. And the appeal also was dismissed under Section 9 of Public Premises Act.
When is the date?
It's due
Tomorrow,
on
tomorrow.
19th, within
Tomorrow.
30 days, so on Saturday, Your Honor.
Tomorrow.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of one writ petition civil for orders, my lord. This is a bank lien account matter, lordship.
Give it to
And
the
it is-
court, master.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item 7, your lordship. I'm
Ye-
praying for some accommodation to be.
Okay. You have informed Mr. Borua.
My lord, I've informed your.
Okay. Mr. P.K. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing for a petitioner, has sought for an adjournment. With the consent of the Learned Counsel for all the respondents. Post of Mr. H. Borua, Learned Counsel, on behalf of Mr.
B. Gogoi, my lord, he appears in this matter as additional advocate.
Okay. B. Gogoi, Learned Additional Advocate General Assam, is present and has consented to the prayer. Post of the prayer is allowed, release the case. Okay. Give August second week.
13 August.
Plus interim order,
15.
interim order doesn't continue.
The interim order past period shall continue till the next day.
Obliged.
20/08, 20th August.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3, Lordship. I am appearing on behalf of AD Surgery, Lordship.
Hmm.
He is in hospital, Lordship, because of her mother treatment, Lordship.
Okay. Miss
Hey, that's Lordship.
K. Das, Learned Counsel, on behalf of Mr. A.D. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has made a prayer for adjournment.
Item 6.
It is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the respondents to make the prayer. As the prayer is made on the ground that the mother of Mr. Chaudhary is in hospital, a prayer is allowed, release the case after 3 weeks on it, 2 weeks by the office. Mr. Andas,
Okay.
Junior Government Advocate Assam for the state testimony is present.
Daily list for admission, item number 1.
Lordship, DNAT will appear. DNAT will appear in this case. He is coming
No,
after
there is a problem. Lots. Release the case before any other events we do.
Please,
Mine is reflected in the call list.
Learning council is also appearing online also.
please, my lords.
Some other events.
My lords, if it can only come up quickly because the surgery is required.
No,
So,
I cannot fix the
we'll await
matter
orders.
before another events.
Please, my lords, we'll await orders from the chief. I'm grateful.
Item number 2.
Yes.
If it may please your lordship, the matter pertains to a notice. And at page 53, your lordship.
So why one deposit is made?
Your lordship?
One deposit of 25 lakh is made?
Indeed, your lordship.
Hmm?
That
What
it
is
has,
the reason?
your lordship, that was for the interim to be passed, your lordship, for gas connection not to be disclosed. The order, if the order dated 15/11/2023 may be perused. We had been given an interim
15?
15/11/2023 may be perused. There's an interim order in place, your lordship. Your lordship, the impugned notice is in page 72, annexure 3 of the main petition.
Seventy-two.
72.
Yes.
Your lordship, we are challenging this as because call for explanation come demand notice. Automatically they're converting and computing it. Prior to our explanation being made, computation has already been done of the demand, your lordship. In paragraph number,
Let us see
paragraph
total, it is not a long one.
Indeed, your lordship. Three days only were given, firstly, your lordship, in order to, after the receipt of the letter, to give a reply.
What is the relationship between you and
We are a consumer, your lordship. We are the consumer of gas from the gas company, your lordship.
what is this table?
Your lordship, this table, there is a your lordship, so there are two methods of calculating the usage of gas, your lordship. One is a meter and other is that is per cubic feet. There is a formula wherein we report our total production and total kgs divided by total kgs. Only in the absence of a meter, your lordship, the second method can be used. So
No, no.
what they are saying, your lordship, is
First, take me to the table.
your lordship, that is what I'm taking you through. Your lordship, this is the difference they are showing in reporting. So the first one, what we have to do is, your lordship, we are reporting total number of teas produced to the T board.
No.
And we
What
have
is
to
this
report the same.
made tea submitted to AGCL?
Yes,
What is
the-
this made tea? I don't know.
Indeed, your lordship. So the made tea is basically, your lordship, total production of tea from that factory is known as made tea. Total kgs of made tea.
So you run a factory.
We are running a factory, your lordship, consumer factory. We are a manufacturer tea.
Made tea submitted to AGCL. What is this?
There are two figures, your lordship.
No, in what manner it is submitted?
There is a form that is they have given, your lordship. There is a form that is given, RG2, your lordship. The same form, the same production data is also submitted to the T board, your lordship, for me. According to them, the T board.
No. Mr. Borua,
Indeed, your lordship.
made tea submitted to AGCL.
Indeed, your
In
lordship.
what form?
There is a form, your lordship. There is a form, your lordship. As per the agreement, it is known as RG1 or RG2 or something of
Okay.
that sort.
This first, second row,
Yes, your lordship.
made tea to submitted to AGCL in
Yes.
kg.
Yes,
These are the figures
Figures.
for 6 months.
indeed, your lordship.
That is, that was submitted in prescribed form.
In a prescribed form.
Okay. Now, next row, made tea submitted to TBI.
Tea Board of India.
This was submitted in what form?
This is a form E, your lordship. It is
Another form.
another form that is prescribed to that form, but to that forum itself.
So there was variance
There was
in
a
the,
discrepancy.
made tea figures
Indeed, your lordship.
submitted to AGCL and Tea Board of India.
Indeed, your lordship.
So according to them, you submitted different figures
Indeed, your lordship.
for these 6-7 months
Indeed, your lordship.
to AGCL
Indeed, your lordship.
and Tea Board of India.
Indeed, your lordship.
That is,
That is their case, your lordship, in this case. But
so there is a difference.
there is a difference.
So the information provided to Tea Board of India regarding made tea quantity were higher
Indeed, your lordship.
than what was disclosed to AGCL,
Indeed, your lordship.
right?
Indeed, your lordship. There was a
So
clerical
total
error.
figure for 6 months is 5,92,321.
Yes, indeed, your lordship.
Okay.
Your lordship, just getting to the nexus as to why the requirement of us to
So I
submit.
have not completed the reading of this.
Indeed, your lordship.
Yes.
Indeed, Your Lordship. Now, Your
Did you
Lordship,
do? Hmm.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, now this TY we have to, TBI we have to report it for the, it is a statutory mandate. But for the AGCL, it was as per the agreement because, Your Lordship, there are two methods of calculating the consumption of gas. One is the meter, which is in place. The other is the method, Your Lordship. There's a formula, scum divided by the kgs. Only in the absence of the meter, Your Lordship, can they use the second method, Your Lordship. Now, in our case, that
So
was,
in response to this notice, what did you do?
we have submitted a reply, page 75, as well as page 75A. There was a clerical error, Your Lordship. What happens, Your Lordship, in the factories? The AGCL form has to be
No, no,
submitted.
firstly, let us go to the reply first.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
When did you submit?
Your Lordship, after we got it in October 5th, 2023.
Within the stipulated time, you did not reply.
We got it late, Your Lordship, because by the time we got it in our hand, we got it, it was 1st or 2nd October, Your Lordship, by the time we got the notice.
Yes, will is read on the basis of case consumed. What is this table here?
Your Lordship, this is as per the correct thing, Your Lordship. If I may take you through the notice, through the reply, Your Lordship, we understand that from the subject explanation on gas consumption, we understand that the gas bill is raised on the basis of gas consumed as recorded in gas meter, which we had already in place. As regards to the difference made in T quantity reported to AGCL and T board, it happened due to different staff handling the matter. There was a clerical error there, Your Lordship, in reporting. However, the meter reading was recorded meticulously and submitted to AGCL as per actual consumption of gas. We are giving under here the gas consumption for per kgs of scum made tea. This is the conversion from the meter reading, Your Lordship. This table is the meter reading conversion, Your Lordship.
That I don't understand.
Your Lordship, the meter reading is basically, Your Lordship, the meter reading that had come, we had converted that into kgs divided by the formula. So we are matching it, Your Lordship. So in order to match it, we had given this table. So gas consumed in scum is basically, Your Lordship, square cubic unit something, Your Lordship. There's a unit that is placed wherein it actually matches that what we have reported to the T board as well as what we have given as per the meter, Your Lordship.
I'm not understanding anything. Second row figure is similar to
The T board.
the first one, T board.
Indeed.
But first row figure is nothing. It is not matching with anything.
Your Lordship,
With the so-called notice.
this is the gas, this is the unit of gas consumed, Your Lordship. That is as per the meter reading. This is the meter reading that was taken as per the bills, Your Lordship, that were sent to us, which we have paid. So
So
that
your
is,
reply is also cryptic.
we have multiple replies, Your Lordship. Till page 76, we have replies.
No, this response to the explanation is very cryptic.
Your Lordship, there is a little bit of technicality, Your Lordship, that the
Technically could have been explained.
Your Lordship, we have multiple replies we have given, Your Lordship. At
Multiple
page 70
replies. If it is permitted, multiple replies to one so-called notice. How many multiple replies?
Your Lordship,
Just one letter reported by. Come to 76,
Indeed, Your Lordship.
read.
With reference to our discussion with you yesterday on 9th October 2023 in your office chamber, we would like to inform you that R&T have decided to consider your suggestion regarding the payment of demand in 15th equal installments. Additionally, we have agreed to a technical team to visit your factory to verify the consumption of the gas and recalibration of the meter if necessary. If it is worth noting that AGCL has installed a new meter with advanced technologies in our factories a few months back. I take this opportunity to kindly request you to intimate the date of the visit of your expert team so that the adequate arrangements for the stay can be made. We hope to hear soon from you regarding the further roadmap to resolve the payment dues to AGCL. We also hope that if the data submitted by us relating to the consumption of gas by our factory are found to be correct, any excess payment made against the demand, if any, as suggested by AGCL, may be adjusted in our future consumption bills. And this condition may be pleased to be incorporated in the agreement. To conclude, we reiterate that R&T is a strict follower of business ethics and do not indulge in any unfair means or for petty gains. Further, we regret the errors that crept in our production data due to human error and apologize for the inconvenience caused. Your Lordship,
Why you have agreed for payment in equal installments?
Your Lordship, because we had the fear of disconnection, Your Lordship. In the discussion, the physical meeting that we had, they had directly said that we'll go for disconnection. They had directly said that we'll go for disconnection. And our production would have stopped, 19-1G would have been affected. We would have gone bankrupt, Your Lordship, if that even 1 day's production is stopped, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the basic outline of the matter is that we had a meter installed.
So what is your business?
Your Lordship, there is a manufacturing of tea, Your Lordship. Tea factory, R&T factory. If I may take you to page 53 onwards, Your Lordship, these were the bills of those corresponding months as per meter reading. When there is a meter, Your Lordship, there is no point of excess amount to be recovered from us. There is a existing meter reading. They had come and they had not found any discrepancies. Page 53 onwards are the bills for the same corresponding months that they are asking for the excess amount.
$53 is for which month?
53 is for June 2022 date. And this we have paid.
Is there any reflection of this made T submitted to AGCL page 72, 1,26,175 at page 53?
At page 53.
53, right?
Your Lordship, there is that reflection. There is a form that is submitted, which is in the custody of the responding authorities. These were the gas bills raised, Your Lordship, from 53 onwards to 71 for the corresponding months where they said that we have reported wrongly. Your Lordship, this figure that these kgs made is only effective if there is no meter, Your Lordship. There is already a meter which is measuring how much gas we are consuming. Our case is that, Your Lordship. The reporting may be wrong due to human error, Your Lordship, because two different staff are handling, and also the time period, Your Lordship, that we have to give to the T-board and the Your Lordship, the AGCL are different. So production, that is where the production is a problem, Your Lordship. So these are invoices rate based on meter readings. So we have paid this, Your Lordship. When the meter is installed, this method, there is no consequence of reporting of key, now the T that we have given, Your Lordship. The T, kgs and T. That report is inconsequential, Your Lordship, if there is a meter.
But difference is huge.
Your Lordship.
Difference is huge.
Your Lordship.
Page 75.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
Figures reported to
Indeed, Your Lordship.
T-board
Indeed,
is
yes.
huge, always more than 3 times.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
Why? This is not attributed to human error purely out of ignorance.
Your Lordship.
It appears to be deliberate figure.
Your Lordship. But this is again inconsequential. Indeed, Your
But that submission will not stand. That it is human error. This cannot be a human
Your
error.
Lordship, this is a matter of again trial, Your Lordship. There is a mechanism, Your Lordship. They have not even given us an opportunity to explain ourselves.
That is a different issue,
Indeed,
but
Your
don't make submission that this is a human error. This is a deliberate error. He used figures difference. It is
Your
not
Lordship.
that 1000 kg.
Indeed, Your
It
Lordship.
is, if it is 60,000 kg, then
Indeed,
it becomes 243,000.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
These are not human error, staff error. Don't make such submission. That is not sustainable.
Your Lordship, but then again, the matter is inconsequential, Your Lordship, because there
That is different matter.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
But don't make such submission that this is human
Indeed,
error. This is deliberate. Maybe
Maybe, Your Lordship.
may not have significance,
Indeed, Your Lordship.
but don't.
Indeed.
I don't think that
Your
is
Lordship, that
sustainable.
is what-
That is not sustainable.
Your Lordship, that is what I have been instructed, Your Lordship. So that is what they have said in the reply also.
Because maybe it is related to some incentive or benefit. It could be.
Your Lordship,
If I implement T-board of India, everything will come out. Right?
Your Lordship.
It is not a case of human error.
Indeed. Yeah, I understand what Your
Don't
Lordship.
try to,
Your Lordship,
if I make T-board of India party, everything cat will come out of the bag. Don't make such submission.
Indeed.
Had it been 1,000, 2,000, this court has handled many matters. Don't take that. This kind of submission will be accepted. Now let us see the agreement.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship at page 44 onwards, the consequential part, Your Lordship. 40 onwards is the agreement, 44 is the consequential part, Your Lordship.
40.
40, the agreement starts at 40, Your Lordship.
Okay, which part?
Your lordship, page 44, metering, your lordship. As to how the quantity is sold, your lordship. Page 44, para 10, 10.00, metering, your lordship. 10.1, your lordship, in order to determine the quantities of gas sold and
Go slow,
delivered.
sir.
Your lordship. In order to determine the quantities of gas sold and delivered to the consumer, AGCL shall install an atmospheric pressure compensated turbine meter or any other gas meter or appropriate technology as per recommended specification of PNGRB at the cost of the consumer. Should any future replacements of meter necessitated as per the guidelines of PNGRB or any change in the technology to ensure correct and accurate measurement, the same shall be implemented accordingly. In case the consumer is permitted by AGCL to use gas inside the factory for purposes other than manufacturing of tea, separate meters shall be installed by AGCL for measurement of gas consumed for such purposes. The cost of such meter and installation and or all other expenses of these meters and replacement thereof from time to time shall be borne by the consumer, including the cost of periodic maintenance and calibration. The meters shall be sealed by, this is important, your lordship, the meter shall be sealed by AGCL. Further, the consumer shall ensure protection of the meter from dust, moisture, and vibration. AGCL shall have the right and authority to check the meter at any time, and the consumer shall provide access to the gas meter without any delay. The consumer shall install pressure gauges at adequate ranges at upstream and downstream for the IPRS, and the pressure gauges must be calibrated through authorized agencies at regular interval of 6 months. A copy of calibration certificate shall be submitted by to the AGCL. Your lordship, now I'll take you to page 45, your lordship, at 10.8, your lordship.
Read 10.07.
The consumer shall pay to AGCL for such quantities of gas as metered, measured, and recorded by or through the said meter. The consumer shall maintain meter reading in the monthly gas consumption sheet, and on the first day of the subsequent month, the sheet shall be collected by AGCL. The consumer shall be duty bound to provide the copy of RT12 and ER12 tea production records with the gas consumption sheet. This is a discrepancy which we have already submitted, your lordship, that there was human error that your lordship may not take. But your lordship, 10.8, that is only consequential when there is in the absence of a meter, your lordship.
Let us read 10.08.
In the temporary absence of meter or meter being out of order as provided under clause 10.3, above, the quantity of gas consumed by the consumer during such period shall be calculated by multiplying the quantity, that is the kilograms of tea produced or made during this period with average gas consumption ratio. The average gas consumption ratio shall be determined by the total volume of gas consumed, that is SCUM, your lordship, divided by the total quantity of tea made as per production records of ER1 and RT12 of the immediately preceding 6 months, 6 working months from the date of consumption by the consumer, whichever is earlier. This shall be a temporary arrangement, and the installation of the meter shall be mandatory for a consumer as per the clauses of 10.1 and 10.3. This is only in the absence of a meter, which is not our case. We had the meter, bills were there running, your lordship. So it becomes inconsequential, your lordship.
So this RT 12 year 1
Indeed, Your Lordship.
T production record. What is this?
This is an exclusive form to be submitted to AGCL, Your Lordship. There is a format where we have to submit how many kgs we have made.
Now let us see that impugned notice.
Page 72, Your Lordship.
Hmm. And according to you, as per that T production record, this is the figure.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
First row,
Indeed, Your Lordship.
first row.
First row that we have submitted to AGCL. But then again, what the instructions of the client is, Your Lordship, that the T-board, the mate T that is submitted to T-board is the correct figure. The second row is the correct figure, actual figure. That is what the instruction
No.
is.
This RT 12 year 1 T
Indeed, Your
production record
Indeed, Your Lordship.
with the gas consumption sheet which
Indeed,
you
Your
are
Lordship.
required to submit.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
What are the figures reflected there?
In the
Is it the first row or second row?
First row, Your Lordship. First row is
First row.
indeed.
That is reflected.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
So that is a T production record
Indeed, Your Lordship.
for these 7 months.
Indeed, that we have submitted to AGCL.
Yes.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
Along with that, gas consumption sheet.
Indeed, Your Lordship. Indeed, Your Lordship.
And where is the obligation to submit the figures to the T Board of India?
Your Lordship, in the same paragraph, if
Huh?
I may take you, in 10.7 only it is there, Your Lordship, that the consumer shall pay to AGCL such quantities of gas metered, measured and recorded by by or through the said meter. The consumer at page 44, Your Lordship, 10.7. The consumer shall maintain meter reading in monthly gas consumption sheet, and on the first day of subsequent month, the sheet shall be collected by AGCL.
No, which paragraph you are reading?
Your Lordship, page 44, 10.7. The last paragraph, Your Lordship.
(10.07).
Indeed, Your Lordship.
That is with regard to AGCL.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
Where is the obligation to submit figure to the T Board of India?
That is in the T Act as well as the TMCO 2003.
Huh?
Your Lordship. TMCO 2003. and-
TMC, I don't know.
Your Lordship,
If I make an abbreviated word, how can I understand? If I'll put you 5 abbreviated word, can you
Indeed, not.
decipher it?
Your Lordship, T Act contains the form submission. T Act also contains T Marketing Control Order 2003 also contains.
You say that.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
If you make it in abbreviated word, how can I understand? I'm not associated with tea industry. I'm not spend any time in tea industry. Tea control
T
order.
Marketing Control Order
Yes.
2003. Your Lordship.
That under that control order, any factory like this petitioner has to submit
Form E, Your Lordship.
production figures.
Indeed, Your Lordship, which is a production figure.
So this agreement is silent about such submission of figures to
Indeed, Your
T
Lordship.
Board of India.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
Yes, I'll come back to you. What is your stand in the affidavit?
My lords. My lords, firstly, the entire issue before your lordships is the 3 days that my friend has just submitted before your lordships, my lords, the apprehension of disconnection is nowhere stated. My lords, in para number 21, they themselves are saying so. Of the writ petition. if
What
I-
is your stand in the affidavit?
My lords. Almost 6 lakhs kg difference of tea made data. My lords, that cannot be human error, my lords. That is what we are consistently saying. Number one. Number two, my lords, what we are saying is that we have detected pilferage. And the photographs are before your lordships. The visit to the factory, the inspection up to the factory was in between the interim period of me issuing the show cause notice and them giving the reply to me after a
No, before 30 August 2023.
My lords.
Is there any inspection and detection of any misconduct with regard to meters on the part of the petitioner?
My lords. My lords, this
Tell
is-
me there was any event
Yes, my lords.
prior to
Yes, my lords. Yes, my-
regarding pilferage
yes, my lords.
or misconduct on the
No.
part of the petitioner with regard to the installed meter,
Yes, my lords.
which is an exclusive property of AGCL.
Yes, my lords.
Was there any incident or any event?
My lords. Now, if my lord, I'll take. I'll
Yes
take
or
it-
no? This can be
Yes, my lords.
answered in
Yes, yes, my lords.
Where is that reflection?
My lords, this is the reason why there
Where is the reflection?
my lords, it's the form that they, I'll show the obligation on part of the consumer.
No, where is the reflection? About prior incident? Or any doubt
My lords,
or any suspicion?
my lords,
Where
10.07
is it?
raises that doubt.
No, that date is 30th August 2023.
Yes, my lords, and
Just
previous 6 months data
Take
has
us
to be taken into
any
account.
previous events.
Yes. my lords. The
Any
The-
previous events.
the discrepancy starts with the form that they are obligated
No,
to.
no, I am asking about the meters installed
Yes, my lords.
in the premises of the petitioner.
Yes, my lords.
Was there any detection of any irregularity?
My lords, this is annexure.
Take us to the pleading, yes?
Yes, my lords. This is annexure A3 at page 155.
A3,
Yes, my lords.
page
A3. Oh, sorry, page 155, annexure A3, my lord.
A3, 155.
My lords, what happens is with
What is the date?
the date is August 11. My lords, it's a forwarded email, but the original email is August 11, 2023.
Huh.
Now, as per the entire
Now,
reason.
where is that reflection?
My
Let
lords,
us
I'm
read
try-
the
I'm trying-
content.
My lords, I'm explaining.
No, first content, thereafter explanation.
Yes, my lords. The content will it'll be found in page number 156, my lords.
156.
The very first row is the tea production data.
Very first row.
Yes, my lords. R&T Private Limited.
Huh.
This is the data which they themselves have reported to T-board, my lords.
No.
I'm coming to that, my lords.
First you tell me
Yes,
what
yes, I'm trying to explain, my
what
lords.
I am asking for.
My lords.
Was there any prior incident
Yes, my lords.
prior to 30/8/2023
Yes, my lords.
that meters installed
My lords.
in the premises of the petitioner
My lords.
had been somehow
My lords.
manipulated?
I've understood, my lords. If I
where
may,
is that?
If I may be permitted, then I'll
Any
just-
stand, any document?
Yes, my lords.
Document does not lie. That is why I am asking for it.
My lords. I'll explain, my
Man may lie.
I'll explain, my lords. The entire contractual obligation is for this very purpose only. RT12 has to be submitted by them, which has to be correlated with the T-board data, which is a ongoing statutory obligation on the consumer's part, my lords.
No,
Every 6 months, by way of standard
you
industry.
are not, you are avoiding the issue.
No, my lords.
First, I am asking
Yes, my lords.
on the basis of 10.08
Yes, my lords.
and 10.07,
Yes, my lords.
And not even that, right from 10.01.
Yes, Manoj.
I have read,
Yes, Manoj.
right?
Yes,
From 10.01 to 10.10,
yes, Manoj.
right?
Yes, 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 Manoj.
The meters are installed
It is. It is
in the premises
right, Manoj.
of the factory of the petition.
Yes, Manoj.
And those meters are exclusive properties
Yes, Manoj.
of AGCL,
Yes, Manoj.
right?
Yes, Manoj.
And those meters, the petitioner had a duty to
Yes, Manoj.
keep it secured,
Yes, Manoj.
right?
Yes, Manoj.
So any manipulation,
Yes, Manoj.
right?
Yes, Manoj.
And it is to be the metering, the meters installed there are to be regularly inspected,
Right, Manoj.
right?
Right, Manoj.
Was there any detection
Yes, Manoj.
of any kind of irregularity?
Yes, Manoj.
Because you are supposed to, as per clause 10.07, you were supposed to raise the bill as per
The
a
meter.
regular meter,
Yes, Manoj.
right?
Right.
So you have been raising the bills as per
The
the
meter reading.
meter,
Yes. And
whatever is shown,
Right.
right?
Yes, absolutely.
And it is not a case of the AGCL
Yes, Manoj.
that meters
Yes, Manoj.
had been manipulated.
That is not what I'm saying. I'm saying
Right.
still fridge. At page number 140, my lords, annexure A1.
That is what I am asking.
Yes, I was just preempting the explanation, my lords, that the meter,
No,
there's
no,
no
let us see.
Yes, my lords. Annexure A1 are the photographs where, my lords, now, of course, what has happened is I have not been able to investigate properly because by that time they had already obtained the stay from this honorable court, my lords. But we have
No, obtain stay for disconnection,
disconnection. Yes, my lords. And
subject to deposit of 25 lakh.
right, my lords. And also, there was also another condition, my lords, they had to keep their entire account current thereafter.
But that has not debarred
That has not debarred.
AGCL from inspecting the lines.
Yes, my lords. Yes, my
Right,
lords. Yes, my
meters,
lords.
everything.
So as far as meters are concerned, we are not on the meter, my lords. We are saying that there is theft, which explains the obscene.
But that is not the case in
Yes,
the explanation notice.
No, that is not, my lords. I'm asking for an explanation as to
Now,
why.
where
it's
is the
happened.
previous detection of irregularity?
My lords, that is what I'm coming at.
Please,
The previous detection was triggered when I received the email at annexure A3. That is the detection, my
A3.
lords.
This is written by whom and written to whom?
My lords, I write to Tea Board of India.
Part-
AGCL writes to Tea Board of India for
Remand board hai guru, AGCL again. From to we really appreciate your quick support, cooperation extended towards AGCL. As discussed, please find attached the data which we extracted from the file provided by you. What does it indicate?
my lords, the cover letter is a little cryptic, but what has happened is
And what does the next page indicate?
my lords, this is that I write to the Tea Board of India and I request them for the data to be submitted as far as these 31 tea factories are concerned. Not only R&T, my lords. Not only R&T. I write to Tea Board summarily to give me the tea production data of 31 of my clients.
Just a minute.
And the
So
correctness.
there is nothing to do with the meter.
I'm not on the meter at all. My lords, my entire, what happens is, my lords, these factories are in far-flung areas. They're not very easily accessible. And ma'am, and also like the kilometer difference to
If you have installed a pipeline,
yes.
right? No, it is. Don't take that plea
there is
that
a
it is
methodol-
inaccessible. hilly
my lords,
terrains
my-
that installed in
my lords-
Everest or Kanchenjunga.
My lords, if I make it I only seek 5 more minutes. What happens is this. Gas is the exclusive input raw material to be able to produce tea, my lords. Now, they don't have any alternative fuel as such, and even if they install alternative fuel, they have to first notify me. Now, they have an admitted position that the T-board data is the correct data. Agreed. If the T-board data is the agreed data, is the admitted data,
No,
and my lords,
No, where is the right?
my lords, it comes from the contract.
No, where is the right? You have a right to raise bills
Yes,
as
my
per the meters installed.
Not only the meters installed.
No, where is that
My
T-board?
lords, not T-board, my lords.
No, where from the T-board
My lords,
comes into picture from the agreement?
My lords, not from the agreement. The agreement, I'll explain. They have a contractual obligation to report correct figures. Now, my case is, my lords, not before your lordships, this is a separate issue altogether, just for purposes of explanation, my lords. The actual teammate data cannot differ from what they send to me and what they submit before the T-board. My lords, like your lordships already has stated, my lords, the difference can be 1,000 to 2,000 kg, not 6 lakh kgs. Which is my detection points, my lords. Every 6 months, I write to, by industry practice, my lords, I write to the T-board for not only for them, for all my clients, that please give me the teammate data so that I can detect pilferage. Now, my case is not that the meters are defective. The meters are not defective. I am saying, I'm come before your lordships and I've specifically pleaded on affidavit that there's pilferage, my lords.
Meter is not defective.
My lords, they have.
Meter is not defective. And it correctly records the consumption.
Yes,
Right.
my lords, but the gas has been diverted.
No. 10.07.
Yes, my lords.
You are authorized
Yes, my lords.
to raise bills
Yes, my lords.
as per the meter reading
Yes, my lords.
installed.
Yes, my lords.
If it is working correctly.
Yes, my lords.
If it is not working correctly due to some action on the part,
Yes, my lords.
misdeed on the part of the petitioner,
Yes,
you have the right to take action
Yes, my
to
lords.
stop supply,
Yes, my lords.
impose penalty as
Yes,
per the
yes,
terms of the contract,
Yes, my lords.
right? So otherwise, you being a government of Assam undertaking is an instrumentality of the state
Yes, my lords.
under Article 12 of the Constitution.
Yes, my lords.
So this T-board figure you have plucked out, right? Rightly
Right, my lords.
to that extent. But where is the right to demand? Because here the question was put
Right, my lords.
and the answer was also given.
Right, my lords.
In the explanation call notice or something like that, which you have
Right, my lords.
given the nomenclature to that.
Right, my lords.
If you let us see page 73 now. Last para in page 72. No, next para below the table. In view of above, this call for explanation is issued to you, demanding a detailed explanation to our satisfaction. We don't know what kind of satisfaction will derive on the region's circumstances for non-reporting so-and-so of tea production to AGCL within 3 days of receipt of this letter,
My lords.
right?
Yes,
3 days time.
Yes,
On expiry of 3 days, one, right?
Right.
On expiry of 3 days.
Right, my lords.
Or
Yes, my lords.
written confirmation from your side regarding satisfactory explanation against your received explanation as called hearing, if submitted,
Yes, my lords.
to the differential reporting of tea made data as aforesaid, comma, whichever is earlier. If they give the explanation on the within 1 day, you can derive satisfaction in 1 day.
Yes, my lords.
So in that case, it will be limited to 1 day.
My lords.
This call explanation shall henceforth become operative.
Yes, my lords.
So there is no scope for passing any region order.
My lords, if I may, I'll address you on the specific point. My lords, firstly, there's
This
a,
and that.
yes, my lords, my lords, the date of issuance of this notice is 30/8/2023, my lords.
The question comes
Right, my lords.
to the root of the
Yes,
issue.
yes, my lords.
The authority to issue such a notice.
My lords, this
Basing
is,
on tea production figure. Yes, you can terminate. Right.
we are not on a, I'm not exercising.
terminate.
I'm not exercising.
You
this-
terminate.
Right, my lords.
But there is no scope to bring in tea production, tea board production figure. Yes. You can cut it. You can cut the supply
Right, my lords.
because of their
Infractions, my lords.
infraction plus misdeed or misconduct.
Yes, yes, my lords.
Right.
Yes, my lords.
Unless 10.1008 comes into picture, you have no other method for billing your customer other than 10.07.
My lords, then the question remains to be answered.
It is, he has a duty to supply the tea production record. But metering is as per the meters, unless meter is manipulated.
My lords, now there's another aspect to it, my lords. Now, one, there is a meter. Number two, in addition to that meter, there is the reporting which they have to do, which has to remain consistent, my lords.
Because for
Detection-
10.08 also,
My lords, detection can only happen when I correspond the compare the data with.
I've been asking Mr. Khanna
Yes, my lords.
that where is the previous event of
My lords, that is not before your lordship.
Hmm?
That is not before your lordship. So I can see.
So there was no detection that no report, no suspicion, no doubt.
But I only am relying on A3, my lords, that
The
was the
submission of figures,
submission of figures.
production figures.
Yes, my lords.
Right.
Yes,
But so far as metering is concerned,
Yes, my lords.
there is nothing.
Before 38.
38.
Before 38.
We are not.
I agree.
We are not into situation after 38.
I agree.
We are in a
So
situation before 38.
So before 38, my lords, what my case is before your lordships, rightly or wrongly, my lords, I am saying that by industry practice, my lords, I compare the teammate data as reported to T-board. They are under a statutory obligation to report both data,
Not statutory.
statutory data before the T-board.
Control order, statutory.
No,
This one, contextual.
Contractual. Right, my lords. So I compare both data, my lords, to be able to detect pilferage. And I have.
And thereafter, unless 10.08 happens, you are not supposed to resort to that procedure.
My lords,
No, this is a
that-
question of punishing a.
No, but my lords, if my lords may see
No.
their own submission number 21 of their own writ petition, they're agreeing that by no measure that this is disconnection. I'm not saying this is leading to disconnection. I'm only asking for a simple
No.
call for explanation.
Explanation. Thereafter, how can you raise that bill 76 point so and so? Yes,
My lord,
after a detailed process you can.
yes, my lord.
But here,
But that's a separate issue.
no, page 72 is
72. No, my lords, I'm on the billing part. The billing. My lords, there could have been,
10.07.
there also could have been a scenario where they could have given me a satisfactory explanation. They can't just say human error. 6 lakh kg is a very substantial difference, my lords.
No, you ask, but here you have put the charge, and judgment is declared. First, you frame the charge.
My lords, it's more like a legal notice when we issue in the contractual disputes, my lords. This is not something which is
No,
a
what is
statutory
the
power that I'm
authority?
executing, my lords.
What is the authority?
My lords,
10, because everything is confined to 10.07 and
10.07.
10.08.
Yes, my lords.
Right.
Yes, my lords.
Now, where is the scope to exceed that?
My lords. I understand.
Where is the scope to exceed
ma'am.
that? That is what I am asking.
Yes,
for.
my lords. Yes.
That is why I said that whether any detection earlier that irregularity
Right, my lords.
in a meter,
I understand.
otherwise you can say that yes, we have detected certain irregularities
My lords.
in the meter
Yes, my
and it is that meter is installed in your premises.
yes, my lords.
So it is you in all probability. So
My lord, it's not stated in the show cause notice, but from the pleadings, my lords. I mean,
not.
and also just one little fact before I just want to place before your lordships, my lords, their apprehension of 3 days, 4 days, 7 days, whatever it may be, it's by their acts of commission or omission, my lords, that is infructuous now. The sequence of facts, if my lords may take notice of, my lords, I issue the show cause notice on 30/8/2023.
Because Mr. Khanna,
Yes, my lords.
you are enjoying a monopoly status.
My lords, they can very
Show me
well,
any other player in the field?
my lords,
Any other player? Show me other than AGCL?
Undisputed, Your
they,
Lordship. Undisputed,
no.
Huh?
undisputed.
No.
supply.
Because
No, no,
I have
my
read.
lords, my lords, they have the right, they have the right to bring in coal. They
Your
have,
Lordship, coal requires a lot
they
of
can,
supply.
they only have to issue notice to me that they want to use
Pollution.
alternative fuel, number one. And my lords,
Your Lordship, pollution.
they
code is
can't,
actually
they can't say, my lords, that I
No,
will,
so far as
gas.
so far as supply of natural gas is concerned,
yes, my lords.
you are the monopoly player,
Undisputed, Your Lordship.
not even oligopoly,
Yes, my-
right? There are
Undisputed,
few
Your Lordship.
players,
right,
like in Siemens,
yes, my lord.
right? To form a cartel,
But my lords, that is,
right?
Undisputed.
Here you are the monopoly player in the supply of natural gas.
with all due respect, my lords,
Everybody falls at your feet for supply of natural
my
gas.
lords, with all due respect, that does not mean I start distributing
No,
gas
no,
for free.
I am saying. And if such kind of notice is served,
My lords, my lords,
the perception
my lords,
of the purchaser
my lords,
is very huge.
my lords,
Threat is like a Damocles sword.
my lords.
If it is disrupted, the supply is disrupted, then everything he has nothing. Because for coal-based industry, he has to install a separate kind of machineries.
And pollution board, Your Lordship.
So,
My lords,
and you are not a private player. You are not a private player. You are a
Instrumental.
Article 14 monopoly player. Article 12, sorry, Article 12. Had you been a private player, I would have thrown the writ petition
yes, my lords.
outrightly.
Mandatory is on.
But you are a Article 12 monopoly player.
As far as that goes, my lords,
Not
in the-
even these oil industries are not monopoly.
my lords,
Now private players have come in. But otherwise also, Oil India Limited, Indian Oil Corporation, HPCL, BPCL, all were there.
my lords,
At least a kind of oligopoly. But here you are a monopoly.
my lords.
And this kind of notice is has serious consequence.
My lords,
It is not that you are not, but with the charge as well as the verdict,
my lords.
you have exceeded.
My-
Prima facie.
My lords, but in this, even so, my lords, and I'm not trying to argue on this point. I'm only saying the factual position shall be, my lords may take into account, my lords. Saying that, number one, even though I understand that your lordships has trouble with the 3-day notice period and the wording and so on and so forth, my lords.
No, it becomes operative.
Yes, my lords, I concede. I'm not on that. I'm only saying
It
that the
immediately
fact,
becomes operative, not only operative,
but my lords,
one is
Liability calculation.
regarding satisfaction, it is your prerogative, but henceforth becomes operative. And demand notice, it becomes demand notice
my lords,
for payment of sewage.
So just to,
Plus.
just a minute, sir.
Plus,
I did not disturb you. My lords, I'll address your lordships on that one specific point. As far as the demand notice goes, the contractual calculation has already been stated in the contract, my lords. They themselves are saying that the T-board data, not your data, the T-board data is the correct data. Therefore, I have the right to demand that money, my lords. Number one. And number,
Oh, where is that
No.
right? Where is that right? Show me.
I agree. I'm.
I
the
record your
number
submission
two,
that-
number two, my
No,
lords.
no. Where is your right to demand that money?
As per the T-board data is concerned.
No. As per the agreement.
My lords,
Which one? Unless 10.08 comes in.
unless 10.08 comes.
That has not come in.
But my lords, the assumption is, I'm not saying that I'm not disputing that the meter is wrong or right, my lords. I mean, that is subject to like a different inspection and a different procedure altogether. I'm only saying that how can
Because
it be?
right to demand the excess one,
But
excess payment.
my-
Yes, you have a right to disrupt or disconnect the supply.
Yes, my lords.
You have a right.
Yes, my lords.
But where is your right to demand that excess amount? Show us to the statutory provision or from any provision in the contract act.
My lords,
This agreement, three option I am giving.
Right.
One, this agreement. Your agreement,
Yes, my lords.
executed
Yes,
with
Yes,
the
my lords.
petitioner,
Yes, my lords.
right?
Yes, my lords.
One. Second, contract, the contract itself.
Yes, my lords.
Oh, sorry, the contract act.
Yes, my lords.
Any provisions from the contract act,
Right, my lords.
1872, right?
Right, my lords.
Third, any statute
Yes, my lords.
show us that your right to demand that amount. Your right to demand that amount. Show us.
My lords.
That is the root of the issue.
In response, my lords, I'll only have one submission. The forms that they are obligated under that contractual obligation. That's all.
Where is that? I am giving you three options. I have
That's-
broadened the
that's
scope.
That's my only submission before your lordship.
I have broadened the scope.
I understand. my lord.
From the contract agreement you had executed with the petitioner
Yes, my lord.
for natural gas supply.
Yes, my lord.
Any provisions from the contract act,
Yes, my lord.
right? Third, any statute,
Yeah.
any statute, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, up to X.
Yeah.
Which one?
No, my lords,
Where is your right?
I'm just clarifying on one point that RT12/ER1 form. If that ER1 form.
Nobody has taken me to the provision regarding that form.
My lords, that is 10.07.
I don't know what is RT so and so, so and
My
so.
lords, it's just a prescribed form. That's about it. That is not what I'm.
Where is
arguing.
the obligation?
Yeah, no. My
Cast.
point, my point is different, my lords. But my point is in the last line of 10.07, it says that the consumer shall be duty bound
Yes.
to provide a copy of RT12/ another one, ER1 T production record.
That I
I'm
don't
just-
know.
I'm just verifying whether ER1, what they have stated in their contract, translates to the T production as
If
submitted by the
if something is there in the T control order and that ER whatever
Yes,
form
yes,
is
yes.
there and that is relatable to,
TMCO, I'm sending you the TMCO.
that is relatable to your right
Yes,
to
yes,
demand.
Yes.
Okay, I can
My lords, then-
definitely-
Yeah, I pray, my lords, some time may be given just to confer with my client on that ER1 form. That's all.
Okay,
If I may
after some
submit your
time.
lordship, if I may submit your lordship, your lordship, the TMCO is with me because I am actually working on another case with the TMCO, the Team Marketing Control Order. Form E is the only statutory form that the production has to be supplied to T-board, no other form. Before it was RG1 also, a register that was maintained. These forms are exclusive forms to the APDCL. These forms that has been mentioned in the contract, that ER, your lordship.
APDCL is not
No,
in
sorry,
picture.
AGCL, your lordship. I beg correction, your lordship. AGCL, your lordship. These are exclusive forms that has to be submitted to the AGCL, not to the T-board. T-board has only one form, Form E. Prior it was manual, now it is online. There is no other form that we have to submit to the T-board.
Okay.
My lords, some
Get
time may
it,
be
get
given.
the information.
I'll get the
Second,
information. My lords.
We'll start
My lords.
Much obliged, your lordship.
the dictation thereafter.
Yes,
Much obliged.
Because your right to demand, that's 76 lakh.
I'll clarify
It
that
goes to
point.
the root of the matter.
Yes, my lords.
Your lordship.
Right.
Yes, my lords.
If that right is not there, then demand itself is not sustainable.
I've understood, my lords. I'll address on that.
Your lordship.
Right.
Yes,
You have a right to disconnect,
yes, my lords.
but right to demand,
Yes, my lords.
that is for that.
Right, my lords.
You have to establish by leading evidence
My lords.
Your lordship, there are other.
that you have been robbed,
Yes, my lords.
Any-
right?
Yes.
This
There
cal-
is some kind of theft.
No, my lords, I'll clarify on
This
that. ER one.
calculation also, your lordship, the figure that they've reached
Let
upon,
us have
that is
the,
10.8 they have used.
that right,
Come in.
where from the right
Immediate.
flows
Immediate.
for the AGCL to
Yes.
demand that amount. I have given him three options.
Immediate.
Let him show it. That
Much obliged.
primacy from the agreement, it is not there because there is no detection of any irregularity with the meter
Prior to the-
installed, which is their exclusive property. It is not that the seal has been removed.
No, no.
In APDCL cases,
Seal is-
seals are removed by the factory.
Yes.
Immediate.
Right. Thereafter,
Immediate.
APDCL goes whole hog
My lord,
to demand
Immediate.
under section 126.
Off the record, my lords, what happens here is that they make, what they do is they bypass the meter and they make an illegal tapping point.
Do it.
I understand, my lords. I'll address on that clarification which my lordship has said.
You have a right to do it,
Yes, my lords. Yes.
but not in
But
this way to
that-
demand 76
That
lakh.
is not the case now.
76
Yes.
lakhs out of the way.
Yes.
This is a afterthought, your lordship.
After all, you are a instrumental to the state.
Yes, my lord. So the only point I'm clarifying before your lordships is the
Right to
calculation-
demand.
The right to demand. my lords.
If that right is not there,
Right, my lords.
this explanation notice goes
Yeah. Yes.
to the extent of demanding 76 lakh.
Yes.
Immediate, your lordship.
Yes.
Otherwise, you can ask for any kind of explanation from n number of times.
Right.
But the right to demand 76 lakh.
My lords.
Immediate, your lordship. Much obliged.
Second half.
Well,
Much
second half.
obliged. Item 4.
Yes.
My lord,
Kaporstan.
Kaporstan. My lord, in this case, Mr. R. Borpuzari would like to address your lordship. But today, in the first half, he has some difficulty. Can it be taken up at 2 o'clock?
Second half, I have,
Other matters also.
I'll dictate this judgment.
So, my lord, let it be fixed in the month of August. only.
Mr. Borpuzari.
And other respondent number 5 councils are.
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 5.
For who is a proper respondent number 5,
That
that
is
has
also
to
a
be
dispute.
investigated. Is it not? There are 2 respondent number 5 and 2 councils. Different respondent number 5 is 1. But 2 councils are claiming that
They are the management. They are the management. 13th August. But 13th
it
August.
would require a CBI investigation.
My lord.
What order?
Injunction orders between, fight between two. 13th August. is-
Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary, senior counsel appearing for the petitioner. Who is for the state?
are
Mr. A. Aforesaid,
Yes.
learned counsel on behalf of Mr. R. Borpuzari, learned standing counsel, Revenue Department. Ms. M. Borbo or Mr. N. Das, learned junior government for the state respondents. Dhar is available.
Dhar, my lord, today.
I'm on behalf of Aidhar.
Mr.
I'm R. Sharma on behalf of Aidhar.
Either.
R. Sharma,
Yes.
learned counsel on behalf of Mr. Adhar,
Yes, sir.
learned counsel for the respondent number 5,
Yes, sir.
and Mr. J. Kolita.
For respondent number 5.
How I term it? Learned counsel. Also for respondent number 5. And who is 6 to 12?
6 to 12. 6 to 12, sir.
Also, okay. Respondent number 5 and the respondent number 6 to 12 are present. Post of. Mr. Sharma, learned counsel, has submitted that Mr. Borpuzari has some personal difficulty to conduct the hearing today. As sought for and agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, release the case on
13th August.
after 15. Choose a date after 15.
No. 18th, my lord, 18th August.
So, calendar ঠিক আছে 18 hours.
Interim order.
Interim order, if any, shall continue till the.
Obliged.
Items 5 and 6.
May it please your lordship. My lord, this matter relates to the, my lord, election of Gauhati Gymkhana Club, which has not been held from, my lord, since 2015,
No, Mr. Chaudhary.
my lord.
In fact, I have detected something, so I'll not take up this matter.
Even otherwise, my lord, I was going to pray for some time because, my lord, after the matter came out before lordship on the last occasion, and both of us agreed, asked for some time to settle the matter outside the court, and thereafter, my lord, 2 meetings have been held. And we believe, my lord, it will be sorted out because there was some difference of opinion among the members. So
No,
otherwise,
I noticed a name and thereafter, and that even lordship. Because earlier I did not notice the name. Only for that reason. No other reason. This is the case before any other events. Without me.
my lord, can I pray after 2 weeks, my lord? Or
As the learned counsel for the parties have sought listing of the case after 2 weeks, the registry to release the case accordingly.
Obliged, my
For hearing, item 8. Item number 8.
There is no representation on behalf of the petition beyond call. Mr. H. Ramal and Generation Senior Government Advocate, some for state respondents. Is present. So, in view of non-representation on behalf of the petition today on call, let the case be listed for answer of justice after 3 weeks from the date to be fixed by the office.
Item number 9.
May it please your lordship, may the matter be possible for the day.
Possible for the day. On the prayer of Miss
Yes, true.
H. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel on
On behalf of MH,
behalf of
MH Law,
MH Law, MH
MH
Law School, Learned Counsel for the respondent petitioner. The case is passed over for the day. The learned counsel for the respondents are found whose names are reflected in the, oh, you were respondent, MH Law School.
Pardon.
Respondent is high level.
Pardon.
Is passed over for the day. Learned counsel for the petitioners and the other respondents are found absent today on call. In view of the above prayer and in view of made on behalf of Mr. Loskar and in view. Okay, GMA Chaudhary is present. A number was the case is passed over for the day.
Highly obliged.
Made a prayer for passing over for the day. Petitioner is also absent. Only pass over for the day. Let the queen.
Item 10.
GMA Chaudhary number cause this of a present will liquidate.
Item number 10.
Counsel for the parties. There is no representation on behalf of the parties when the case is called today. In view of non-representation of such a non-representation, come and let the case come up for answer of justice be listed after 3 weeks on a later release by the office. After a long period